Alright, so we have to get this pickup selector through the pickup selector hole. So what I've found is the best way to do this is to take a guitar string, tie a length of fishing line through the ball end of the guitar string, protect the edges of the hole with some tape, and just run that through into the channel. And hold on to the fishing line and just pull that back out. And then what we can do is tie this fishing line through the hole there. When you tie this off, tie the knot well above the selector switch itself, so when we're pulling it up the line through the hole, the knot will not pull the pickup selector to the side. We want it to be coming straight up. Okay. If that was loose fitting there, I'd suggest holding onto the line until you can secure it some other way before you can get a washer on there. But that's in there nice and tight, so we don't have that concern. Okay, so just thumb tighten that for now. So I'm going to run these wires through now. We can't pull these straight into the holes yet. We are going to need to hook up our pickup wires to them. Okay, so now we can install our pickups. So you'll have